5th to 26th in New York. I just can't stop staring at these flowers. They are beautiful. Thank you so much, Murad. Today I'm going to be with them in their headquarters and we're going to have some fun. So keep watching my Instagram stories later on today. This is unreal. Hey, this is LA. Raining, sun. Oh, we have tropical weather now. Oh my God. That's crazy. Just arrived to Murad headquarters. Look at this. Oh, what is this? Like every year?
Yes, the timeline.
Wow.
The Murad timeline.
Look at this one. Skincare. This is the first waterproof sunscreen. What else we want to see?
And then if you kind of go
crazy.
our way over, you can see how
What is this one?
tackles genetic aging.
What is this one?
Starts talking about this is his fermentone serum.
2010.
This is when he developed the water secret. It was kind of his first attempt at the cellular water theory, which is talking about anti-aging in terms of hydration internally.
Wow, okay. I'm ready to go in. So they go by color. So this section is just
Age
purple.
reform.
What is it?
Age reform.
Age reform. Oh, look at this. Yeah, all of this. Oh, and then we have the blue over there. And here we have the orange. Here's the kitchen. Hi, everyone. Hi. They're like, I'm eating. Okay. Then we have...
This is our green
Green.
and yellowish section.
Okay. This is like, feel like I'm in museum. Look at this. It's crazy. Wow. And they have like all paintings all over the walls over there. I don't know if you can see, but I'll show you later. I just got an instruction on what I can show you and what I cannot. So let me start with this one. This one is a travel size. You guys are coming with travel size products. These ones are going to be more, or these are going to be the travel size. I live for travel size. So not only that, but holidays. Okay, so here you're going to see first look of the little kits that come in soon. And I'm going to post all details with pictures, prices, everything when it's coming out. But yeah, here you get to see everything. How fun. Probably going to be one of my favorite kits, and I want this one. Can I use it right now? Wow, I'm excited. Then, what else? What else? I'm going to go through this. I hope you have my size. And this is the product that just launched about a month ago, and I posted about it and talked about it. It's new. I actually need it right now on my face because somebody came for a visit. Office of Dr. Murad, and this is what I'm doing right now. They told me I need to paint, to choose whatever colors I want and to paint. And I also do these kind of questions about stress. It's going to be interesting. So, they are teaching me how not to think and be open-minded about things. I'm going to tell you also, they have these cards right here. This one is closed. I'm going to show you the open one. Hold on. So these one are the cards, and so if you read the cards every day, your skin, everything about the energy, your skin, about yourself was just going to get better. So here they took like pictures of before and after a week. Here you can see like the lines right here, and then after week 8, there's just like less wrinkle and everything looks just better by reading these cards only. So we're also going to do painting right now. That's going to be fun. You guys are doing this. I'm gonna paint. You got everything ready.
Oh, here's an apron.
Oh, she's ready. Oh my God, that's how you do it. Okay.
Too good. In the top right corner, in the very right corner. Right in between the lines.
We have glitters too.
I'm just gonna bang it and throw it. It was complicated. I was doing it exactly right, correct?
Yes.
It's tough. It's tough to do this.
Wow.
It stings.
Oh, it is.
We'll wash it off in a second.
One is for nighttime, right? I got this one during the day, and I got the sunscreen for every day. I need that. They told me to wear it all the time. It's for texture.
It's exfoliation, and you want to use it only a couple times out of the week.
Okay.
So you don't want to over-exacerbate your skin.
Got it. And then this one.
And that's everyday use. You could use it morning and night. So that's Essential C Cleanser. It's got vitamin C.
Jessica here. Hi, Jessica. She have a good tip if you're using the oil, right?
Yes.
This one.
This is our multivitamin infusion oil. What you can do is you can put it on both your index fingers. You have to remember to be gentle with your skin. You can blend them together. It's on both your fingers. You can rub them together, and you can start by patting into your skin and then rub lightly, getting everything, all the creases on your face. That way your palms don't absorb all the oils.
Oh, thank you. We had a friend here.